I'm just gonna strip and bathe. Guys, I'm standing in the most amazing master bathroom transformation yet again. We have another bathroom that was so old and dated from the 80s. Everything was falling apart, everything had kind of seen its day, and it was just time to renovate. Before, it was gloomy, and even though the homeowners and myself loved the wallpaper, it just needed a refresh in this space, so it was a total gut job. And I really love when we get to pull it all back together and it comes together so perfectly. Let me give you a little mini tour of this space because I know you're gonna get so much inspiration from it. And for those of you that love that farmhouse look, I feel like I've died and gone to heaven. It's awesome. It's so awesome. So let me show you first what we did. We ripped out the old vanity, ripped down the old mirror, and put up instead, thankfully, a vanity that is higher. So that old one was so low, it just seems to be the standard for the Atlanta area. That's what everybody put in. Even for me, being short, it was really low. So this is nice and high, and we put in these beautiful round mirrors. I just love these mirrors. And the bubble glass on these fixtures, it makes it feel a little bit old. However, having this modern finish on it just makes it perfectly modern. Can I just tell you, I had so much fun accessorizing this space. One of my favorite things that just came out from the Magnolia collection at Target is this juniper hand soap. I've got a set for myself because it smells so good. Just go out and buy some. I don't have the price on it, but I don't think it was hardly any money, and it smells so good, you're gonna wanna buy a couple bottles. I bought the house spray too. They have spray, and they had room fragrances. Oh, I'm telling you, I bought the whole thing. I just love it. Oh, and while we're here, let's just talk about the faucet for a second, because a lot of times people will spend a lot of money on the tile and the structural stuff, but these finishing touches make such a big difference when you're renovating a house. It's heavy, and when you turn it on, you feel the weight of the actual faucet and the handles and everything, and those little details matter, especially on the other side of it. You should always invest as much as you can in your hardware and your faucets because you'll really feel the return on that. Now, oh my gosh, we've also got grain sacks from the Magnolia collection. Let's move down here. I bought this vase from Target as well, and I filled it with flowers from the garden. So this is something I just went out this morning in my jammies, my poor neighbors, and gathered and clipped little bits off of bushes and whatever's in bloom. Like these little white ones are just off of a butterfly bush. So it's not anything crazy expensive, but these are inexpensive ways to make a bathroom renovation that is, you know, hefty. It's a way to decorate it and make it awesome without having to spend a lot of money. Some of the other things that we have here, of course, my bibliothèque candle is my favorite. It's like a library. And I feel like, you know, in a bathroom, climbing into the tub and having a good book and a candle that smells good, it just doesn't get any better than that, does it? I think this look, what it really comes down to is understanding that balancing that farmhouse look with the modern, and some things are rough, some things are smooth, some things are round. I know it sounds a little bit elementary, but those are the things that really make the space feel all put together. And a lot of times my clients will struggle with that end part, like how do I actually pull that part together? And I always say, once you've got all your bigger pieces chosen, bring in some texture through your linens, bring in some texture through your vase, and it will be awesome. Now over here, let's walk over here. Look at this shower, guys. Oh my gosh, I love this white subway tile. It is so clean and modern and beautiful, and I love the fact that you've got multiple options for how you want to shower, and it does mean that more than one person can be in the shower, which you guys are starting to learn that I have an affection for. So nice big shower. It's got a seat that you can lounge in the shower and bathe. It's really great for shaving legs and that kind of stuff. Sorry, boys. But building in the shelf is another thing that I always recommend. It's always good to have a spot for your soaps and your stuff. And this shower is so big that you can actually have a stack of towels in here. Another thing that I will say is having the clear glass like this, it makes the shower always feel bigger. It makes the whole space feel bigger. And I just love that style, that generally just the way we're putting our rooms together, these bathrooms, having that clear glass like that, it's, I think, one of the best inventions of recent years because it really just makes the whole space feel bigger and brighter. And when you're in the shower, you get to enjoy the whole space. Isn't that awesome? Now let me go show you this tub because it's awesome. Come on. I am refraining from the urge to climb in this tub because, again, I have a thing for testing out other people's tubs, and I don't know, they're maybe not always so appreciative, but holy moly, this modern tub is to die for. I know for myself, I chose a clawfoot, and I debated up until the day that I ordered that clawfoot over one like this because I think that that modern finish, especially in a space that has the shiplap, it has a little bit of that farmhouse look, when you balance that with this modern tub, it's just awesome. It just looks good, it feels good, it's beautiful. I mean, what else can you ask for? And all the finishes here, I always recommend getting a sprayer. I know that sounds, again, elementary, right? But having a sprayer when you're in the tub is life-altering. I haven't showered in ages, and I don't mean like I haven't bathed, but it's because like at home, mine has that shower head, and so you can shower your hair, and with kids, it's really nice to be able to wash their hair. I just wouldn't go without it. It's that essential. So if you're remodeling anytime soon, definitely get that little hand sprayer on whatever option you choose because you will be so glad that you did. This space is just balanced with the warmth of the wood and just a little bit of a modern vase, and it's ready for bubble baths, and I'm a little bit jealous that it's not mine. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing yet another bathroom, yet another style. This is Modern Cozy, and we hope that you've enjoyed. Be sure to visit us at houseofvalentina.com. I always put more pictures there because I know a lot of you want to use the pictures for inspiration for later, for your own projects. So I always put them on houseofvalentina.com, and then you can also find them on Pinterest because I always pin them there. And oh my gosh, I'd be so thankful if you will please hit the subscribe button. But if you've already subscribed, you also need to look at your notifications. It's just like a little section. And if you hit that you want to be updated, it'll pop up on your phone. You can have it where it doesn't ding or anything, but notifications means it lets you know when the video has gone live, and that just helps us get our numbers up, which of course helps us to be able to do better quality videos and be able to bring you more of them. So we're very appreciative of that. And I will put all the links for the products featured in this little tour down below in the show notes. So thank you again, and we will see you soon. Bye.